This is a video review for the DREAMPUMP electric air pump that has a 16 PSI rating for blowing up paddleboards and other inflatables. So the unique thing about this is that it's hoseless, meaning there's no hose that comes out of it like a lot of the pumps that you've dealt with. The attachment just fits right on the end. It's got the standard SUP attachment. One thing you want to know is that it comes with different size gaskets, rubber gaskets. And so for it to fit snugly, I didn't need one quite as thick as that. I needed a thinner one so that it could fit securely in the hole. And it just fits in and just snaps into place. Let me do that for you. There it is. Okay, and you should just be able to turn it on and let it pump. It's already achieved its 12 PSI, so it shuts itself off. So it works really well. You can just leave it there, plug it into the back of your vehicle, and just turn it on and let it go. It took about 5 minutes to get full volume in it, and I'll show a picture. I stopped my watch at about just after 9 minutes for it to fully inflate this and shut off at 12 PSI. Let me go ahead and take it out. It's been running, so it's got a cooling fan. Don't know if you can hear that on the video. It's self-cooling since it's running for 9 or 10 minutes here, and it's cooling itself down, so that's great. Easy enough. I thought it would take a little bit longer than that. It is a little noisy, but when you're in a parking lot or during the day, it's no problem. At a campground at night, that might be an issue, but it seemed to be just fine. So 9 minutes to fill something up to 12 PSI. I think it's a pretty good pump, and you can't beat the size and convenience of stowing that away in your bag with your SUP. When you don't have any electricity nearby, just your vehicle, this works out great.